Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about advanced English words. Ways to say beautiful, pretty, gorgeous, stunning, cute, lovely, bewitching, handsome. Ways to say like, admire, desire, enjoy, approve, respect, fancy, cherish. Ways to say hello, what's up, how have you been, how are you, good to see you, how are you feeling today, nice to see you again, long time no see. Ways to say very, absolutely, acutely, decidedly, highly, deeply, eminently, greatly. Ways to say delicious, juicy, flavorful, pleasant, divine, palatable, piquant, sweet. Ways to say sad, unhappy, sorrowful, melancholy, depressed, miserable, heartbroken, gloomy.
Channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.